Hello and welcome to the North Norfolk Railway at Holt. This is Railcar Restorers on the road. We're here at the launch of DTCL 56182, a special launch day. We're going to be doing a lot of videoing and interviewing, and hopefully you'll enjoy this video.
Indeed, as you'll see, the finished article is behind us, and doesn't she just look splendid? We just had the private ceremony which has just happened here at Holt, and then we'll have a trip to Sheringham where the public can then board the train for the rest of the day. We can all enjoy it.
So, welcome to episode 6, and what you're going to see now is a little christening ceremony, and yes, she does look A1, doesn't she? So, hope you enjoy. This is a little follow-up video to episode 2, which is where we actually went through this whole unit and the other unit they've got. So, hope you enjoy, and this is really where we aim to get to, and we love seeing things that are this good, so we really hope you enjoy, and yeah, let's get on with it.
9.5 years, it's been a blast. God bless all who sail in it. I'm going to have to make a dash
After the charter train arrived back from Sheringham, a little bit of tail traffic was added on at Holt, as after 9.5 years of work, you're entitled to have a little bit of a play. And really, it added quite a nice mood to the day. It was something different and something you don't get to see every day, which was nice to be a part of. That then made its way to Sheringham before coming back to Holt. And here are a few more views of that shunt taking place after picking up the box fan, where you can really see a little bit more of that underframe detail and the fact that they have gone the whole hog with this restoration, and doesn't it look just wonderful. So, as we watch a few shots here from the day, how much does a railcar cost, I hear some of you might be asking, or none of you might be asking. So, here are the 10 most expensive single items on this unit. The veneer, £4,672. The lino, £2,048. The bodyside framework, £1,928. A rewire, £1,715. The seat frames being powder coated, £1,700. The low loader to the North Norfolk Railway, £1,600. A heater overhaul, £1,186. The roof paint, £863. And the toilet formica, £800. And last but not least, grip blasting, £750. You may notice that the actual cost of the unit isn't on this list, which really elaborates the point that they're cheaper to buy than they are to restore. So those are the singular most expensive things as far as items go. Here are a few eye-watering numbers for the continuous services. Contract services, £7,301. Wood for the unit, £6,552. Paint and varnish, £5,366. Electrical, £3,381. Steel, £2,788. And personally, what I think is the most ridiculous is for nuts, bolts and screws, £2,673. God, that's a lot of money for some nuts and bolts. So while we watch the North Norfolk coast go by, which is probably some of the nicest parts of this line, I'm going to do the maths for you, and that is that the total restoration cost of this unit comes to a grand total over 9.5 years. So if you adjusted that for inflation, yep, you'd be looking at a more eye-watering sum, and that is the total restoration came to £43,446.17. And to put that into context, that's also the same price as one of these, which is the brand new 2024 Audi S3. Now, moving on from the costs, here are a couple of happy fellas enjoying the fish and chips on the fish and chip train that night at 7 o'clock, which is almost a tradition for us on DMUs. And to finish a wonderful day off, here are a couple of very nice night shots of the 104 at Weybourne.
Right folks, it's now time to look around the toilet on 56182, which we've had a hand in refurbishing some of the parts. Let Johnny give you the grand tour. Right, and after having worked on the certain parts on the toilet, I think it's time for me to christen said toilet, so you're not following me in there. Goodbye.
So guys, here we are after a very successful day on the launch of 56182 here at the North Norfolk Railway. It's been an absolutely fantastic day with the weather to match, and doesn't she just look glorious? I'm just going to do a quick walk through the unit now, starting at the toilet end. Obviously you got the seats now fitted with the nice new powder coated frames, Bournemouth blue mocket. Got the nice blinds here that have all been fitted. These also helped to stop the UV when the unit's not in service. Nice lino that we saw last time we were here, just with minus the seats. The luggage racks and a few other bits and pieces have also been fitted. The seats also have these snazzy ashtrays that are fitted to them, as you'll see. Very nice touch. So yeah, that's the second class as a whole. Now moving into the first class. The seats have been fitted, the carpet's in now, the chrome strips on the floor, curtains as well, which are very, very nice. Different coloured seat frames, again powder coated, and all the lighting fixtures. Basically everything's finished, she's running, and this is her in a complete state. It's been an absolutely excellent day, and we want to thank everyone for coming. And now an interview with the Moxons.
Right, Chris, after 9.5 years of restoration, how does it feel to have 56182 operational?
Oh, absolutely fantastic. Lots of emotions, relief, excitement. We'll probably have a flat period afterwards because, you know, climax and all that.
How surreal does it feel?
Oh, we've been working away on it for so long now that you almost can't believe it's finally finished.
Yeah.
So yeah, no, we're very pleased.
Yeah, I've been pleased with the turnout and everybody who's come and supported you. It's
Oh yeah, the day was fantastic. We had several full loads in the vehicle, up and down all day. We thought it'd drop off in the middle of the day, but it didn't. So yeah, amazing support where I didn't know we had support.
yes.
So just goes to show people are interested in DMUs when they come out fresh.
Yeah, I mean,
Something new for the right one.
yeah, you've made an absolutely fantastic job of this. It's really atmospheric. It's a great restoration. You can see you've been meticulous in everything you've done here. So congratulations on this. It's a great achievement, and obviously you are the benchmark for us to follow. So
No, thank you very much.
well done
I'll definitely be there for
for our launch.
your debut. Yeah,
Right, nice one,
for
mate.
sure.
Excellent. All the best, mate.
Cheers.